Today, we have some thrilling news about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Glowing Star, a new leaked image suggests that the launch might be just around the corner. While DJI hasn't teased or confirmed anything about this replacement for the 2023 Mavic 3 Pro, a crisp and clear render shared by serial leaker Jasper Ellens on DroneXL looks very convincing indeed. Could the Mavic 4 Pro launch be imminent? Calendar. The leaked image appears to be a final design render, the type DJI uses for promotional purposes. If this is true, and there's always the chance it might be a clever mock-up by a fan, it hints that the launch date could be imminent. DroneXL suggests that April 20, 2025 might be the big day. If that's the case, we can expect more leaks to trickle out over the coming weeks, possibly revealing the Mavic 4 Pro's specs and capabilities. Improved propeller design and longer flight time. Despite its clarity, this image doesn't reveal much that we didn't already know from previous leaks. However, it does show a reworked propeller design that's more aerodynamic than the older model. This could mean quieter operation and longer flight time, with 50 minutes of battery life being hinted at by previous leakers. The props also feature an easy-release disc on top of each, which may help improve airflow and keep rain and dust from entering the motors. Enhanced triple camera module, camera with flash. The Mavic 4 Pro's triple camera module, which includes Hasselblad branding, appears to be physically larger and more prominent than that of its predecessor. This size increase could point to improved image quality via larger sensors or lenses. The fact that it protrudes more on its gimbal mount might allow for a greater range of motion, addressing the limitations some Mavic 3 Pro users have found. Vertical video and greater gimbal range. Movie camera. Another exciting leak from Ellens suggests the Mavic 4 Pro's camera module will be able to tilt much further than the Mavic 3 Pro's. He shared a video on X, formerly Twitter, that seemingly proves this, also noting that the camera will be able to shoot vertical video. This added flexibility could be a game changer for content creators.